welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how we can open a Telegram channel. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit notification bell, comment, like and share. So let's begin the tutorial. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Google Play Store and download the Telegram app. Install the latest version. If you have an outdated version, please update it to get a greater experience with it. So we open. So if you are new on Telegram, please put your number and sign up on the Telegram. So when you open it, come here and touch. Come here and touch this arrow going down. Yes, this arrow. Then do like this. Then come over here and touch new channel. Then come down here. Come down here and touch create a channel. Create a channel. Then come over here and put the channel name. So I'm calling this the channel name this KMR Tech UG. KMR Tech UG. Put a description of your channel. Yes, this let me assume that, let me write anything and say this channel is all about technology. Yes, you can also add a logo. So when you want to add a logo, come over here, then touch this camera plus that sign, then do like this, then come in your gallery. Yes, this is my gallery. Yes, I'm looking for the logo, please. I'm looking for the logo. Yes. So simply touch there and come down here and click this tick sign. Yes, guys, it is uploading. The logo is uploading. Yes, it has finished. Then this is our logo, this is our channel name, this is our channel description. Then come up here and click this stick. Yes, this is our channel. Yes, this is our channel. Then you can make your channel public or private, but mine I want to make it public. That's why I'm clicking here. So when you make it public, read what is here. Public channels can be found in search. Anyone can join them. Then private channels can only be joined via the invite link. So mine, I'm making it public because I want anyone to join when he searches it. That's why I've chose public channel. Then here, propose public link. I think you are seeing. So put the link, the name or the link. Propose a link here. So I'm putting KMR Tech UG. So you can put any link there. You can put any link there. So write anything, even if it is not your channel name, you can write it there. So come over here and click this stick. Yes. Then add members. So when you click that tick, it brings you in your channel contacts. So let me add some members. I'm adding this. Yes, I'm adding this. Yes, guys, I'm adding this. So let me add 4. I hope you are seeing them. Here there was 0. Now there are 4 members. So I think I will add 3. Those ones are enough. Then I click this arrow, this one. So remember, a Telegram channel can have 200,000 subscribers. So it is better than a WhatsApp group. So I click this arrow. So boom, guys, this is my newly created. This is my newly created channel, guys. So please check in the description of this video. You'll get a link to my Telegram channel where you'll be getting all the tricks concerning technology. Thank you. And subscribe to this YouTube channel, please. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit notification bell, comment, like, and share. So this is my newly created channel, guys. I hope you are seeing it. So it's a matter of touching there and post something. So that's it, guys.